Where are you from?
I am from Cape Coral.
Where are you from?
Oh, originally?
Yeah.
Long Island, New York.
We were just talking about Long Island. Hold on a second. We were just talking about Long Island. This is a way I can get close to somebody. See how that works? My underarm sweaty.
What were you talking about?
What a great place. What a great place.
Okay, I've been here for
It's our birthday.
I know it's your birthday too.
It's my birthday too. No, it's my birthday.
Who was born first?
She was.
So you're the oldest.
Yeah.
Is that why you're the most mature?
Yes. I'm the dumb, crazy one. I think we're the same.
See you guys.
Bye.
All right, bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
All right.
Be retarded.
You're kidding me. Where are you going?
decided this guy is just gonna follow me everywhere that I go now.
I'm trying. I just want to get to your number, so I got to follow you, man. I got to copy you. Is that your daughter?
Not quite.
Hey, it's shovelheadffej, and we're live out in, well, I guess I'm live. You're no longer live. We're out at Chopper Show, Thunder. Where are we at?
Thunder by the Bay.
What is it called?
Thunder by the Bay.
Thunder by the Bay. And this is?
I'm Blondie Shannon Braps. You can find me on Instagram at blondie_braps or blondiebraps.com.
Is that it?
Yep.
Okay.
And I'm Ashley, also known as Dirty Knob Goblin on Instagram. And that's where you can find me.
And what's it again?
What?
What is it again?
Oh. Dirty Knob Goblin.
Okay. Proper spelling, correct?
Yes.
All right.
And I'm April, and you can find me on Instagram at Throttle Maiden. And we're having a good time here at Thunder by the Bay.
And why do you, I'm sorry, you were going to say something.
I almost slipped off the camera earlier.
I didn't know what to do.
I was gonna.
Why do you look like her?
Because I'm a twin. Nobody can tell. Twins.
And today's your birthday.
Oh, birthday. Celebrating our birthday today. Guess who's older?
Yeah, out of all of us, because it's my birthday too.
Oh,
Is it your
Ashley's
birthday?
Yeah.
Well, happy birthday. All right. Anything else you want to say?
We're having a good time here at Thunder by the Bay. Come check out Blondie Braps tent, and thank you, Shovelhead.
And buy
Yeah, buy my
your stuff.
Come check it out. Braps. Nice butt.
Is that it? Got anything else?
You guys got anything else to say? Oh, and check out the Brat Babes. We're going to be going to Daytona for Willie's Bike Show. All the Daytona stuff coming up second weekend of March. So stay tuned. Follow us on Instagram and social media.
Everyone, you going to be there? You going to be there?
Yep, we're all going to be there.
All right. Cool. All right. See, that was easy. do other things. I know.
All this smoke is from the Rainmaker.
Yeah, starting it up. Yeah. The famous Rainmaker. Who was doing the burnout?
So first it was this yellow chopper, then it was the truck. The truck is what caused all the commotion.
Oh, the lady said she's going to fine them or something like that.
Oh yeah, well, I'm sure they messed on the floor. Like,
all right, I come to say goodbye. See you, man. Give me a Hollywood hug.
goodbye, but not farewell.
No, no.
Farewell, but not goodbye.
Hey, Flipknot, I know you don't like me, but I want to say goodbye, man.
I don't like me, dude.
Really? You should like you, man. You should love you. In fact, people
I
love
like everybody. I hate myself.
This guy's got 1,000 thumbs up and no thumbs down.
I didn't believe him when he fucking told me. I'm like, oh,
If there's any reason for somebody to not like you, it would be me.
thumbs it down now.
I should. No, I have never done that in my life, and I never will. I don't get the whole, you know.
I can put mine on.
Josh didn't come today? Oh, he's coming tomorrow? All right, man, I'm out of here.